A sounding of horns on 120 Taiwan Railway trains to mourn the victims of the train collision. The driver of this train expresses wishes for a safe journey for the victims as they go on to their next life. The front carriage of the ill-fated train has been extracted from the tunnel. It was the most badly damaged. Ceremonies were held to lead the souls of the dead away from the site of the disaster, which tragically cut short their lives. Many of them were young people. Investigators say dashcam footage from the truck responsible for the accident showed site manager Li Yixiang and others were working at the site, contrary to what he had told them. Investigators suspect that the truck had trouble getting around a hairpin turn at the project site and got stuck in the bushes at the top of the slope. They believe Li and others tried to use an excavator and a strap to haul it out, but that the strap broke and the truck slid down onto the track a minute before the train hit it. This southbound track on which the accident occurred is expected to reopen on April 20th, once repairs have been made and inspections conducted. But still unanswered are numerous safety questions. Li, for example, was able to work on the project without the proper qualifications, and railway administrators seemingly did not supervise the project or require strict standards. The government has promised reforms of the state-owned Taiwan Railways Administration, but critics say such promises were also made after the last deadly accident in 2018, which killed 18 people, and just over 2 years later, an even more deadly accident has occurred. CNA, Hualien County.